It's a privilege and an honour to have been confirmed today as the leader of Plaid Cymru, the party that means so much to me because of what it means for the future of Wales. It's an enormous responsibility, but I promise that I will lead with passion, with humility, and more importantly, with you. And I'll be proud to be a leader for the whole of Wales. We will face up to our own challenges as a party, as all parties must, whilst at the same time focusing on the challenges that we collectively face as a nation. These are difficult times. Families struggling to make ends meet, our NHS in crisis, and the Westminster parties have failed our communities. But Plaid Cymru will be united in purpose and clear in our thinking as we redouble our efforts to create a fairer, greener and more prosperous society. That's my ambition, our ambition, to build a better Wales in the here and now, whilst inviting more and more people with us on that journey to independence. From Tonteg in the south, where I was born, to Wales's most northerly point that I now represent, together we can create thriving communities, championing equality, allowing everyone the same chances in life, redistributing wealth and opportunities in all their forms, and building a stronger and fairer economy. I want to build on the legacy of all those who've gone before me and gone before us. I look forward to having as many conversations as possible with you in the period ahead of us, because we all have a part to play in making Wales what it can be: confident, fair, green, prosperous, and we'll do it together.